Welcome, guys. Today we have a special guest. His name is Pedro. He will be teaching us English. So stay focused, stay ready, and let's start learning together.
Welcome to your second class. Today, we are going to continue building your basic English skills, but more importantly, we are going to strengthen your confidence and mindset. Remember, English is not learned in one day, it is built step by step, like building a strong foundation for your future. Let's begin with something powerful. Say this: I am getting better every day. Repeat it again: I am getting better every day. Good. Improvement starts with belief. Now, let's review greetings quickly and add more practice. Hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, nice to meet you. When someone says nice to meet you, you can respond nice to meet you too. Simple conversations create strong communication skills. Now let's practice asking and answering questions. What do you do? You can answer, I am a student. I am a worker. I am learning English. What are you doing? I am studying. I am working. I am practicing English. Keep your answers simple. Simple English is powerful English. Now, let's build your vocabulary with daily actions. Go, come, read, write, speak, listen. Now turn them into sentences. I go to work. I come home. I read books. I write notes. I speak English. I listen to music. Repeat this one: I speak English. Even if your English is not perfect, speaking is the key to improvement. Now, let's talk about motivation again. Many people feel stuck because they wait for the perfect moment, but there is no perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. Say this: today is my time. Again, today is my time. Mistakes are normal. Every fluent speaker was once a beginner. The difference is they didn't quit. Now, let's practice a short dialogue again. Person A: Hello, how are you? Person B: I'm good. How about you? Person A: I'm doing well. Person B: Nice to hear that. Now try this one. Person A: What is your name? Person B: My name is. Person A: Where are you from? Person B: I am from. These small conversations will help you speak naturally over time. Now, let's build confident sentences. I can speak English. I am improving my skills. I am not afraid to make mistakes. I learn from every mistake. Repeat this: I am not afraid to make mistakes. Because mistakes are part of success. Now, think about your daily routine in English. I wake up, I get ready, I go to work, I study English, I rest. When you describe your life in English, you start thinking in English, and that is real progress. Remember, consistency is more important than speed. Even 10 minutes every day will bring results. Before we finish, let's repeat our strongest mindset statements. I am getting better every day. I will not quit. I will keep practicing. Stay focused, stay patient, stay consistent. Your English journey is just beginning and every step matters. Follow for more.